Polycarp?
Talagang cute nakita ko sa batang ito. Hi!
Liit na ng hair mo? Wow. Ay, parang merong hindi ano. May part na hindi ano. Wait lang. Okay pa ba yung hair natin, Sarah? It's her... Talaga, kailangan ko na i-trim yung hair nito kasi hindi pa marunong mag-suklay. Diba? Hindi pa marunong suklay ang Sarah namin. Kailangan i-trim talaga ang hair. Yes, baby!
After detangling Sarah's hair by combing, I now proceed to sectioning her hair. I make sure that there's no knots or tangled hair, and I try to make it even.
Cute naman ang
Hi,
baby
Kitty
na yan.
Pie.
Kita ko to.
Mommy, I think you are forgetting something.
Ba't may camera pala? Tingnan niyo.
Are you sure, Mommy?
Okay, so you have to what? Gusto niyo
Don't start yet. Yes, the clip. Hair clips.
Get it on clip.
I'm using hair clips to keep the two sections separate.
Kailangan natin mo yung hair niya sa likod at sa harap. Ready na, Sarah? Mahirap lang ito or challenging is yung mag-grow ka, ha? Ito lang ang challenging dito, hindi nagbabaw. Ay! Kada siya. Kit-kit ko eh. Okay. Baw, 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 baw. Oh, let's go, go, go. Go, go, go. Welcome to my barber shop. Go, 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 go. O, diba? Tignan niyo yung likod niya. Hug, mommy, yeah. Sweet baby. Sweet baby. Sweet baby. Okay, gala. Gala. down, this side, this side, this side. Wow, 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 wow. Flash, 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 flash. Flash, 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 flash. Flash, 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 flash. Oh, this side, this side, this side, this side. Good, good, good. Yes. Lapaan na ko. Anak, wait lang. The other side pa. The other side. Woo. The other side na. Dito. Look, oh. Oh, dito na. Ay, dapat.
This part, I'm just making sure that every hair is evenly cut, and I'm just so happy and contented that I was able to cut my daughter's hair without an iPad, and she's keeping still and keeping seated. Wow, nothing is impossible. So you too, you can do it with your kid.